the calendaring features, the billing features, being able to have everything in one place. Now, you can do that. I know guys that practice that they don't have a formal practice management software. It's just things over time that they've developed. Whether it be something like OneDrive and just having files for every client. I mean, you got to be using something. You have to be using something. But my experience has been tremendous with Smokeball. I would encourage anybody that's looking at a practice management software, put that one near the top of your list. At least check out. I mean, of course, it's not for everybody, but at least put it on the checkout list because it really is tremendous. And by the way, not being paid by them or anything of that nature. I really just do. Like the programs because if they were sponsoring me, I'd be wearing a hat.
Yeah, that's right. No, that's what we love because we're all about getting the first-hand review and finding the tool that fits the practice. I think that's so important.
Brian, we really appreciate you coming on board here. Onboarded, I don't know.
I onboarded with you guys today. It's been tremendous. Thank you.
That's right. Podcasting onboarding. That's what happened today with Brian Alsip. We appreciate you coming and joining us on the podcast. If people want to reach out to you, how can they get in touch with you, Brian?
Yeah. Well, if anybody wanted to, what do you just give out contact information?
Website.
If call me up, my office number is 317-918-7289. You can find me online. I'm trying to think what is the official name of my website. I think you can just go to alsiplaw.com, or you can send me an email at alsiplaw@gmail.com. I will say one final thing. I just spoke with somebody earlier today. I know this is, kind of for maybe lawyers that are trying to build a practice, but if your thought process is, especially if you're a young person in law school, or even younger than that, it's never too early to start reaching out to lawyers to get to try to start building relationships. Like I said, I've got an intern that was in between, I guess they call these things gap years, in between a law school and undergrad. But I've always been a guy that's very willing to at least sit down and talk to somebody. But a young person who is thinking about taking this path, understand out of the gate that it's tough. It'll require a lot of work and a lot of sacrifice. The other thing is, don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to pick up the phone and call somebody or get an email address and email them and just say, hey, would you mind just giving me 5 minutes of your time? I might want to do this as a career. That's I think very important. Always have ambition.
That's fantastic. Fantastic. Seth, how about you close us out with how people can find the podcast?
Yeah, well, thanks so much, Brian. Really appreciate the time today. That's so beneficial to those kind of looking to launch their own practice. And we are the Lifetime Legacy Lawyers podcast.